2014 Chevy Camaro SS, really built, cam, high torque converter, long tube headers, high flow cats. Then what we did on it, X-pipe, 2.5-inch system. We did that earlier. And then he brought it back. It was too loud for him. It was too raspy. So we went ahead and put 2 DYNOMAX race bullets there and there. The 12-inch, there'll be a link in the description for them. And then completes the look with 5-inch roll tips out the back there and there, as you guys can see. So it's a complete system. It's really nice, really clean. Came out beautiful. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Still loud. It is cleaner. You can have another. You can add another shift in the middle. Still sounds badass though. There's sound decibels. Again. Still 123. What was it? Oh, much better. So when it was straight pipe, 129. We did a video of it earlier. It actually refined it, cleaned it up. Let you guys hear all the inside. Camaro SS built with all of it. Cam, stall, all that good stuff. Whatever you can think of, he's done to it. It's pushing about 500 horsepower, which is not bad. Now it's got a full exhaust with DYNOMAX race bullets, X-pipe, 2.5-inch system, 5-inch tips. Oh yeah, much better. Enjoy, guys.